In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about my new plant obsession, and that is roses. I've been planting up a storm. I have 22 roses, and I'm going to show you the ones that I have in bloom. Also, stay tuned to find out what is my favorite rose, and in the comments below, let me know what is your favorite rose. I hope you guys enjoy this video about roses. All of these roses are so beautiful, and I picked these because I wanted a fragrant garden. And the first rose that I'm going to talk about with you guys has sentimental value. My grandfather passed away in 2010, and I couldn't believe that there was a plant or just anything named after him. And so that rose has sentimental value.
The first rose that you see when you come out to my garden is the Maurice Rose. We have one coming into bloom, and all of the other blooms have bloomed already, and it is so hot, so the blooms do not last, but it has a rose with a musky smell. So if you like that kind of strong musk scent, then this is a really nice rose. This next rose has been putting on a show ever since I put it out here in the garden. This is the St. Tropez rose. Here is a new bloom of the St. Tropez. This color is like a golden honey color. So I really don't like yellow, but this color is actually really nice. For scent, this rose smells so good. It's like an apricot honey scent. It's really light and soft, but it smells really good. I have 20 Lincoln Rose. Oh my goodness, smells amazing. It has that strong rose scent. Oh my goodness, if you are going for scent, this rose is it. This is a climbing rose, and it's called Lavender Crush. I mean, this rose, wow, this rose smells so good. It's like a lavender mixed with rose, and it smells amazing. This rose is called A Beautiful Day. The scent of this rose reminds me of a cantaloupe melon. I have been waiting for this rose to bloom, and this one is called Moonlight in Paris. It is so soft and beautiful. It's a pale white. This rose has a jasmine rose kind of smell to it. It smells really good and soft. This rose is called Le Petite, and it has a soft pale color. Here's Le Petite about to bloom. To me, it has like a soft baby powder smell. This rose is called Sensuous. I was also waiting for this one to bloom so I could give an accurate description of what it smells like. Wow, Sensuous.